Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, November 13th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Mailbox Money Nation and how it can help you build your Mailbox Money Empire. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for almost 20 years now, and I've been working full-time for myself since 2018. So it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I know that there's a lot of people out there, they want to build a mailbox money empire. They like the idea of working from home and being able to quit their 9-to-5 job, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. And I understand, because when I first started this, it was super, and this was back when, before MySpace and things like that, okay? There was so much information even back then that it was like information overload. So it was easy to get lost and so many moving parts. And I can tell you that today it's a lot easier to build a mailbox money empire than it was 20 years ago when I first started out on this journey. But I still understand that people, especially if you're not a techie person, or if you've never done anything online before, or, even if you've never had your own business or worked for yourself, there's a lot of moving parts to it. It can be overwhelming, a lot of information. And so what I've done is I created Mailbox Money Nation, which is a community of like-minded people who are all interested in building a mailbox money empire, okay? And I will tell you that we are still in pre-launch. We have 19 members right now, but we're still in pre-launch. And come the beginning of 2026, we're going to get things moving here a little bit faster, okay? We're going to do live calls. We're going to have Q&A sessions. I'm going to provide a lot more value than what I have been providing. And that's what it's all about. It's a community of like-minded people who are looking for help, or just interested in direct mail and building a mailbox money in general, okay? So you can join right now for $7 a month. And the reason I'm charging for this group is because I want to keep out the tire kickers. I want it to be serious action takers, people who are serious about, either supplementing or replacing their income from home. It doesn't matter what opportunity that you're a part of. You don't have to be under any of my programs. You just have to have the willingness to want to learn how to build a mailbox money empire and be willing to show up every day and take action and stay consistent. Because at the end of the day, consistency is what separates the winners from the losers. It's just showing up and staying active, staying consistent. So that's what I want. I just know that sometimes when you're trying to start out, trying to build a business, doing it alone can be very overwhelming. And I thought that by having a community where we all help each other and support one another would be beneficial for everybody, including myself, because I don't know everything, so I know that there's people in our group, in our community, that I can learn from, right? So it's not just going to be me, showing you everything that I know. It's going to be us learning from everybody in the group, because we all have something to share that we can all learn from. I never met somebody who I didn't learn something from, So that's the cool thing about having a community. And that's why I started Mailbox Money Nation, just because, I want people to have success. I want people to have support. And a lot of this stuff I learned on my own throughout the years of just trial and error and having shiny object syndrome and jumping from program to program for the first 10 years that I started out. So that's what Mailbox Money Nation is all about. You can join right now for $7 a month. It's just a monthly fee. You can cancel anytime if it's not for you. And like I said, we're just in pre-launch right now. This will be more developed going into the new year. And there's going to be a lot of cool things in it. It's even going to become an income stream for those who stick with me, and have patience and help me build it. You know, I'm going to take care of those who are in the group helping me build it. All right. And, you know, taking care of means like that's going to be an option down the road where you can share the opportunity with other people and make a commission, you know, things like that. So there's a lot of stuff that I have planned for it, and I'm excited about it. It just, this time of year is busy for me in lots of different areas. Our soap company is, this time of year, we're extremely busy. August and November are our busiest months out of the entire year, if you can believe it. So we're getting ready for the holidays. We're shipping out tons of packages every day, and it's just a super busy time. But after the holidays, when things settle down, that's when I'm going to, you know, I have a little bit more free time, and I'm going to really start putting more energy and effort into building up Mailbox Money Nation, because I think it's a good idea, and I think a lot of people can benefit from, you know, the community. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. Please feel free to share this with others. If you know, maybe it's not for you, but maybe you know somebody who's into direct mail and building a Mailbox Money empire, and you could share this with them. I'd appreciate that. And I'd appreciate if you gave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate that as well. So I'll leave a link down below here to join the Mailbox Money Nation community. But everything I do is over at joinruss.com. All right, up here, joinruss.com. My newsletter, Mailbox Money Nation, my coaching calls, my momentum program, my opportunities that I'm a part of. You can find everything over at joinruss.com. So listen, I appreciate you all very much. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks very much for watching.